उसके बाद फ्रेंड आपके पास आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ प्रोटोकॉल। प्रोटोकॉल होता है सेट ऑफ रूल और स्टैंडर्ड डिज़ाइन टू इनेबल द कंप्यूटर टू कनेक्ट विद वन अनदर एंड टू एक्सचेंज द इंफॉर्मेशन विद एज लिटल एरर एज पॉसिबल। प्रोटोकॉल जो है लो लेवल डिटेल ऑफ मशीन टू मशीन इंटरफेस होती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द ऑर्डर इन विच bits are sent across a wire or high level exchange between allocation program. For example the way in which two program transfer a file across the internet. जैसे suppose there are two people, one is speaking Punjabi and other is French. Since they have no common language, they each engage a translator whose common language is English. The person is location known Punjabi only want to send a message मैं खरगोश पसंद करता हाँ, that is like I like rabbit. Second person who know French only cannot understand. The translator use the common language say English, so the same is translated in English and it send the message to location B. At location B, translator convert the message into the French. The message will be conveyed at location B in French. Hence the protocol generate accepted for standardizing overall computer communication in 7-layer set of hardware software known as OSI, Open System Interconnection Model. Next we have network architecture model. The layered concept of network architecture built in many system protocol used and interface standards were different for them. The layer partitioning were also different and were not mentioned in all of them. So there was an integration in capability of architecture developed by different vendors. It was realized later the standardize of network architecture solved the बहुत सारी problems, save a lot of effort required for developing interfaces different architectures. Several network architecture developed by standardization organization manufacture. Some of important architectures that is OSI reference model, open system interconnection developed by ISO and CCITT. Prime computer network PRIME IBM system network architecture, SNA digital network architecture, DNA Brown network architecture. Then OSI model. This layer network architecture model was developed by International Standardization and Consulting Committee for International Telephone and Telegram. The development of open system interconnection was the first step towards standardization. It provided general concept of enterprise communication such a way that any open system may problem. Here open system means a system that can be architecture and protocol. 7-layered architecture model. Communication process decomposed into hierarchical function layers. Identify the standard necessary for open system interconnection. Provide common basis coordination of standard development. Model the LAN communication divided into 7 layers and each layer is insulated from the other. Well defined process. 7-layer architecture OSI model with protocols. Thank you.